Hi, I'm Pedro, a professional bubble developer with 3 to 4 years of experience. As one of the first 30 officially certified bubble devs, I have a unique perspective to share with you today. When I was preparing for the bubble certification, resources were scarce. We were advised to rely only on the manual and our development experience for the exam. And like many, I wished for simple questions and a better understanding of the exam's focus areas. Despite these challenges, I immersed myself in bubble concepts and successfully passed the certification. After this, realizing the need for better prep tools, I originally developed a custom GPT model to assist my mentees in my mentorship program, which covers everything from the basic technical skills to building an international development career. And the certification is a crucial milestone in this journey. However, the model exceeded my expectations in its effectiveness and accuracy. It's being trained exclusively on Bubble's official materials, including manuals, forum discussions, training content, and blog articles, combining with my secret sauce, which is my insights and my experience with the test. Seeing its potential, I felt it would be a disservice to limit it only to my mentees. So I decided to share it with you, the Bubble community. This tool simulates the real exam experience, preparing you for what to expect and how to succeed. Let's move beyond talk and explore this tool in action. Join me in the demo to see how it can revolutionize your preparation for the bubble exam. So this is where the magic happens. This is ChatGPT page, the same you will have access to. And then you can type start test or just click start test. It will start the bot. So it's just letting us know that so now we select if we want to choose any specific topic or random questions. Let's choose random now, just for testing purpose, but you can select backend workflows, performance, security, design, responsiveness, whatever you want to practice more to put your focus on. Question 1. In the context of Bubble's backend functionality, which of the following best describes the use of API workflows? The theme here is backend workflows. A. They are used exclusively for scheduling email notifications? No. We can use API workflows to schedule email messages, notifications, but it's not exclusively for this. So option A is out of question now. They handle tasks that need to be run in the background, independent of user actions. Okay, backend workflows run in the background. I don't know if this sentence of independent of user actions is true because they can run independently of user actions, but they are also triggered by user actions. If we only had these two options, I would choose B, but let's read the next ones. C. API workflows are primarily used for formatting data before it's displayed to the user. No, has nothing to do with it. D. They are designed for front-end user interactions and user interface updates. Definitely not. E. API workflows are utilized to import large data sets from external sources only. This only is what kills the option because it can be used to import large data sets from external sources, but not only for this. Given the options, I would choose B. Let's see if I'm right or wrong. Correct, B. They handle tasks that need to be run in the background independent of user actions. They can run independently from user actions, but they can also be triggered by user actions. Okay? Since it's not saying only in the option, it makes it correct. Okay? Now it asks if we want to continue to answer questions or if we want to finish. I want to continue. Let's see the next question. Oh, before answering the question number 2, it's interesting to notice that the model also gives you a brief explanation of the topic. Explanation: API workflows in Bubble are used for server-side processes that run independently of user interactions. These can include tasks like sending emails, processing data, or interacting with external APIs, which do not require immediate user input or action. Yeah, it's correct. It doesn't depend on an immediate user action. It can be scheduled, whatever. It can be triggered by another thing. It can run despite the user. Okay. Question number 2. When designing a responsive interface in Bubble, what is the significance of the collapse this element's height when hidden setting for a group? Now this is a design question, and let's see the options. A. It ensures the group is invisible but still occupies space on the page. No, it's the opposite. If I check the box to collapse this element height when hidden, it will do exactly the opposite. It will, make sure that the group is invisible, but also it doesn't occupy that group area on the page. B, it allows the group to expand dynamically based on the content inside. No, it has nothing to do with this checkbox. C, it removes the space the group occupies when the group is not visible. It seems to be the correct answer, but let's read the other ones. This setting enables the group to change its color based on user interactions. Has nothing to do with color. Okay? If we were talking about conditionals, this could be correct, but for collapse, it makes no sense. E, it allows the group to maintain a fixed size regardless of the screen size. Also, incorrect. It's option C. It removes the space the group occupies when the group is not visible. Correct. Answer, it's option C. Explanation. In Bubble, the collapse this element height when hidden setting is crucial for the responsive design. When this option is enabled for a group and the group is hidden, usually through conditional visibility settings, it doesn't just become invisible. It also collapses, meaning it no longer takes up any space on the page. This helps in creating a dynamic, responsive layout where elements can adjust based on the visibility of other elements. Let's answer another one, the final one for this round. Okay, you can answer as many questions as you want to. Okay, it's free to use. Okay, let's continue. Question number 3. In the context of Bubble's database and security, what is the primary purpose of setting up privacy rules? Now we are in a different content area. Now we are on database and security. A, to optimize the performance of the database by indexing data. There's nothing to do with it. It's not related to security. B, to control the appearance and style of data displayed on the page. No, it has nothing to do also with the style of the data. It has no relation with privacy rules. C, to manage user permissions and access and data access in the app. This seems to be correct. But let's read the other options. D, to encrypt data stored in the database for security purposes. No, we don't encrypt data on database privacy policies, privacy rules. Okay, it has no relation to it. And E, to schedule regular backups of the database. Also wrong. It's option C. Let's answer. Correct. It's option C. And the explanation is privacy rules in Bubble are essential for controlling who can view, create, edit, or delete data within your application. They help in defining user permissions and access levels to various data types and fields, ensuring that users can only interact with data that they are authorized to access. This feature is crucial for maintaining the privacy and security of user data in your application. Let's answer just one more, okay? Now it's the final one. Question number 4, just as a curiosity to see which topic it will bring for us. In Bubble's layout and styles category, how does setting an element fixed width property influence its behavior in a responsive design? Before going to the answer options, I think I use fixed width and fixed height maybe in 5% of my containers. It's a very specific, it needs to be in a very specific use case for me to use fixed width, because using fixed sizes is a nightmare to responsive design. But okay, what does it mean? A, the element will stretch to fill the width of its parent container? No, it won't stretch and it won't shrink. It will be fixed. B, the width of the element will remain constant regardless of screen size. Yes, it will be fixed. It doesn't matter the screen size. So until now, option B is my choice. C, the element will disappear when viewed on smaller screens? No. In order to do it, we should create a condition based on the current screen size, page width. D, the width of the element automatically adjusts based on its content? No. E, the element's width changes randomly, providing a dynamic user experience. It would be funny, but not. So it's option B. The width of the element will remain constant regardless of screen size. Let's answer. Correct. Obviously. Explanation in Bubble: when you set an element's fixed width property, it means that the element's width will not change regardless of the screen size or the width of its parent container. This is a key aspect of responsive design in Bubble, as it allows for precise control over how elements appear on different devices, ensuring consistency and predictability in the layout. Okay, let's finish just to see how it ends. Yeah, we've answered 4 questions and got all of them correct. Our score is 100%, 4/4. Congratulations on a fantastic performance. This indicates a strong understanding of the Bubble platform's key concepts. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, good luck with your Bubble developer certification. Now it's my advertising moment. Remember, if you want to become a Bubble Pro, you can text me at my WhatsApp or send me an email on my personal email. So just a final detail is that this custom GPT is built on top of GPT-4. So you need to have an active ChatGPT Plus plan to have access to this, okay? Thank you for your attention and your time. I hope this helped you. And please text me if you need anything. Bye-bye.